Hey, welcome back, folks. Hope all are doing great. It's myself, Santosh, Easy Tech Bytes. Uh, Last video recording, we stopped at the website, right? We developed the website. Let me open up the website. Let me share all the screens, right? So, here is the website. This is what we had developed. So, if you see, right, this is the basic website. Where exactly is the code? This is the code where we wrote. So now we need to understand all this. We can ask line by line, like what we did in my previous videos. Let me close all this. 1 minute. All the tabs, I'll close it. It's confusion, right? So now, and I'm thinking of opening the website here itself. Okay, let me check how I can open in the terminal itself. Open an integrated terminal. Perfect. Open to the side. Okay, this is not the one. Label and open timeline, add file to the chat. Let me add file to the chat. Okay. I am not aware of how to open it in the VS Code, so let me open the website here. Open the website in VS Code. Just open a simple browser to open HTML. It's thinking. Okay, let's start the process. It's asking me to run something. Opened HTML sample process. It's opening in the browser. It itself will open the browser for me. That's a good thing. Mm, how to open in my workspace. It throws some error. Python not found. So it's not 8000. This is port number. There could be some port for VS Code. That could be the problem. Or I can open it later. Later we can see. It's just that we'll open the website here itself. How we have this, right? It will run here itself. Nothing much. Run the website inside VS Code. Okay, there was I needed an extension. Now it resolved. You see, guys, how we can learn and resolve it. That's how it is. So live preview is extended. Now I think Right click, show preview. Okay, guys, that's it. Done. Fixed it. You saw, right? I just spent some time. How much time I spent? Probably less than a minute. I came to it's all with goes with the prompt. The way I prompted, I got the right output, the right response. This prompt, what I did, how to open in my workspace, I think, the LLM, the VS Code, the Copilot, couldn't understand what exactly I was asking for. And even this open the website in the VS Code, it didn't work. What worked for me? Run the website inside VS Code. Just solved it. I can see it here now. Whatever it is. Let me close this now. Okay, so now let's dig into a few things. Now this is how the website is. What I want to do here, okay, under popular communities, I see r/gaming. I just want to be renamed as gaming. So how can I make the code understand? How can I make the Copilot to understand, right? It's quite difficult because I have to know the programming. I need to go to that particular code, then modify it. So I'll do use stripping tool, take a screenshot of this. Let's see what I can do, whether it'll be possible for me or not. So this is, I copied it, copy this, and I'll go to VS Code, paste it here. I have attached a snap from my website, and I wanted I wanted to rename from, what is that, r/gaming to gaming. Modify modify it and let me know so that I can refresh refresh the browser and check. Perfect. Let's check how it does. The first thing, I think it will go to the location where probably it's in the index.html. If you see, oh my God, this was just like 5 seconds, I think. It did the changes. Now I'm going to refresh the browser. It's telling me to refresh the browser. You see, guys, disappeared. So this is how you will start modifying it. Now under gaming. Okay, my next step. My next step is under gaming. Let's let's keep let's keep a link to users for browsing about gaming websites like to buy CDs, purchase consoles, etc. Okay, you hold the shift and press enter. If you just press enter, it goes off. It will take it as the input. I mean, it will go into the chat and starts working. So, or you hold the shift and press enter, it'll go to the next line. Now, take, I don't know which website. So take any best website and keep it under gaming. Okay, this one you have to hit keep. Anyways, the code, everything gets saved, not a problem. So now let's check how it does. It edited the index. It has also edited the styles, C.CSS. Perfect. Perfect. Refresh your browser now and you will see the GameStop by games and consoles. Let's check. Wow. It gave a card symbol here, with GameStop. And if you click on the link, it says the link cannot be reached. GameStop.com. It's not working. Oh, it's not a secure website. Okay, it's telling me for the cookies. Let's browse best gaming websites. Free online crazy games. Let's keep this. Okay, this is online games. We'll keep this now. So I will do one thing. Okay, kindly remove GameStop and replace with this. Let's check. Perfect, guys. Done. Let's refresh and check. Perfect. It did. Click on it. It's going. Even the website got integrated. You have your own website. You have blogs. You have anything to show for the customers or for any, for your building your portfolio. That's it. It's done. I just gave the link. It has merged. Okay, you can do some changes here, right? It's gaming. It says, and the link is towards right side. So merge. We have to merge this. Merge. Merge this crazy games. Okay, I'll copy this. Merge this website into gaming to gaming option. Shift enter. Do not show right right next to gaming option. It's not looking good as per design. It doesn't look good, so just trying to modify it. You see, it's thinking that I think they want to hide the link because I don't want for my friends to show the website link here. Nowadays, right? There may be some fraudulent websites that we not tend to click anything if you show it right away. So perfect, it's done. Oh, you'll see this down arrow. That looks nice, right? It's a clear design. Let me refresh and check. Wow, nice. Now it shows here. If you want to commit, if you want this to go down here, it's still you can be prompting and final right. You can design a proper website. Now, how it was, guys? Just like 10-15 minutes, we are able to do such a miracle things, right? It's really great. So my next video will work on the same websites, how we can do so that once we get to know this, next is without I have never learned HTML. As I said in my last video, I don't know what is HTML, what is CSS, how to design this buttons. If I want to keep a sign in button, let's try in the next website. Or I already have a create post link button here. You can have change the styles, colors, everything. We'll do that in the next in my next video. So without knowing of any programming languages, I just developed a website that's really great. It's a local website. Okay, the file is in your PC for your information. If you want to host this, definitely you can host it. I mean, like you need to buy a domain for that, or if you want to use it for free, you can always go to GitHub Pages. You can develop a website using GitHub Pages. It's for free. Like you will have a dot .io, I guess, right? If you purchase a domain, then it'll be like myfirstwebsite.com, right? There you have to buy a space and all. I guess you guys would have aware of that, or you can browse it in ChatGPT. It'll give you which is the website where you get for the lesser price to buy a domain, so on. Okay, fine. Thanks, guys. Please follow, subscribe, like, comment, do share to across your to your colleagues, friends, families. Let them learn. Let them also develop things. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.